The Dow rallies higher 216 points. My name's Dez, and down here in the bottom right hand corner, go to full screen and watch this in full definition. And if you want high definition, go right here and click on the little gear mark. That will give you an option to go to high definition. But my name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, October 23rd, 2014. And taking a look here at the markets as a whole. Dow up 216 points. Everybody's up, up, up. Nasdaq and Russell's leading the charge. Banks up, but not doing nearly as well as the other major indices. VIX down 7.5%. Gold down 0.7%, but silver up 0.25%. And you have crude oil finally making a bounce, up 1.7% with the US dollar at break even. And you'll see here that the utility index is up a mere fraction, but transportation is up quite a bit, up over 2%. And taking a look here, yesterday we had this trend line coming down, resistance, resistance, resistance. We had this bearish thrusting pattern. I added my hedge on with trailing stops at different levels. Today the market popped and it went higher, and when it went higher I started unloading or peeling off my hedge. As we went higher, 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 touched the 100-day simple moving average. So looking here, I want to take a look back at the weekly chart. You remember from the weekend edition, I said once we bounce here, look for a good couple weeks here, and I foresee yet another bullish week going into next week, and we're going to hit our head right there, and there will be the drop, and that will be your head and shoulder trend reversal pattern. That's what I'm foreseeing. Let's see how correct I am. Been doing this 16 years. Yeah, I've got a knack for this stuff. And taking a look here, BABA up 3%. Let's go to a daily chart. It's just been going higher and higher and higher. BABA is looking very, very good. Facebook was up more than 2%, making a new term high at least. And let's see what else. Google is up over 2%, but it's down here. This is a great bear pullback. Look for a short opportunity. LinkedIn was up 2%, but it's hard to tell in this consolidation. Netflix was up more than 2%. Look at this great bear pullback. Looking for a short here. Taser up almost 2%, building a high base. Watch for a high base breakout there. Twitter was up just a mere fraction, but nothing to write home about. And on our bull list, our big winner today on our Stock Picks V newsletter was up over 10%. Big boom on LCI. Next in line is SMCI. This thing has been on fire. Went from $22 to $30. Do that percentage calculation in your head quickly. That is a monster run. Again, featured on our bull list. UNP is up more than 5%. It was down here at $98, $96 at one point. Now it's at $112. Big time a rally. So if you want to know about this Vegas trip, a lot of excitement, a lot of energy, a lot of activity. So if you want to know more about it, listen up.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Alexan, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.